All right, everybody, calm down. We're here. We're here, just a little late. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's check the news first. Five eight. Nvidia. I don't trade stocks. I don't, unless you're asking for, I don't know. I don't know what Nvidia please means. Wholesale inventories at 10 a.m. Wholesale inventories at 10. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. We'll just be mindful of that. Looking at this. Damn, we really fell off over there, huh? Let's start from the daily. Turn the trades off so we can see. Reload. 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 Is this a real gap? There's no way. This is not real. I don't remember seeing a 200. What the hell? Let me sign in a DX feed. I can't get the volume profile stuff to load. It keeps only loading a little bit. This is frustrating. All right. DX feed. We do have gap. We do have daily gaps, but they're not 200 points. It's 43. 100 down there. I mean, I guess we could be drawn down into this gap. I mean, we're pretty close to it already. 37 points away. And we could continue that into this daily order block down here at 17,900. So I guess we could look for the market to go down into here before it could either, I don't know. I guess we'll just look for the market to come down into that area. 17.9. What's up, Evan? MNQ. That's so annoying that that's not loading. Yeah, the 4 hour, we got big displacement candles. What did I say on the other chart? 17.9. I'm kind of looking for the market to move down into this area. I think that's what we'll do. Down into this area, and then I don't know where it goes from there. But if we can catch any part of this move, it's 100 and anywhere from 80 to 200 something points. So surely we can take something out of that. Let's turn this bot on. I'm going to do the same thing as yesterday, just 2 micros aiming for 22 ticks with a 1 point offset. This isn't really moving late the last several minutes, so maybe we'll get a nice little push in one direction and grab 5 points in one direction. There's another relatively big candle right before we earn. No, it's only 4 or 5 points. Market's just not moving, which is good, I think, for the open. We're barely moving, and we should get a nice little pop in one direction, right? Oh, I didn't put a stop on these. I guess I'll just do 44 ticks again. That's what we've been doing. I hate that it's a negative risk to reward, but this open trade's a little weird, so I think we can go for that. Oh, my trade yesterday, we entered at 9:30 and held it all day. I ended up closing it at 4:10, 10 minutes after the market closed, after the New York session closed. The most amount of points we were in profit was 60, and the most drawdown was, let me see real quick. Most drawdown was 42, but we ended in 3 points of profit with 2 whole micros. I like the big trades, but I start shooting for the stars. I could have had 50 points because we were up at 60 for a while. Like most of the day, it was sitting at 60 points of profit while we ranged at the highs yesterday. Maybe I should just target 50 because we've been getting those. We've been getting 50 pretty easily, but then I always want 100. We'll see what happens today. Today I want us to go down here. We'll see if we get a short setup. I don't really see anything yet. Let's see what this man, I might have to start taking the break of the 28 candle. Good morning, stock trader. About to get some orders here. Tagged us right into the shorts, but it's going to leave the longs on there. We just don't want it to come back down and take a double loss because that sucks. If we can at least get those 5 points back, that makes the loss not as bad. I could probably stretch this up a little bit. All right, so 1 loss, 1 win. So down $27. Not a big deal with it on micros. That's why I don't cancel the other orders once we get tagged in. I think some people are using this spot where whatever side you get tagged in first, you cancel the other side. I only cancel the other side if I hit full take profit with these orders. So, but a lot of times we wick down and then go to the other side. Use 4 points for your exit or your entry, your offset. We only went 3. Oh, so you didn't get tagged in down here, did you? But then you needed to go that much further. Well, that went 5 points. That went 9 points. I was really debating on stretching that out, but it's all good. All right, I want to see us go up and then maybe get a reaction off of this guy up here on the 5 minute. And then we could roll over. Like that. Something like that. Nothing too crazy. We just want like a cool 150 point reversal at the area that I tell it. Gotcha. So did you use it just now? Did you get a win up here? What's up, McLovin? Hell yeah. See, that's the thing with this bot is anyone can you guys can use it however you want, and everyone's results are gonna vary. Nice. My volume profile stuff is not loading today very well. It like half loads and it stops and then tells me I don't have it. I hate that I technically have access to all I need. Like you said, like 1 week is fine, but so I mean, I hate to pay for it just to resolve an issue that Quantower is giving me for no reason. But I'll draw that here on there in a second. Point of control zone is 1895, 18095. Yeah, it's right where we are, right? And then 140. What about lower? Because I'm thinking I have this drawn out. I'm thinking we go up and then come down into here. So are there any point of controls down in 17.9, 17.8? 18140. Oh, that lines up perfect with this guy because I'm thinking the market goes up into here and then we roll over. Look at that. Yeah. Yes, this is all lining up perfectly with my analysis. It's exactly what I wanted to see. Okay. We have like we have a big 1 hour or 4 hour. Yeah, we have like all this displacement down here that I'm thinking that we are being drawn down into. But of course, I think there's a potential that we go up into this 5 minute. Oh, you're not even looking at the screen that this 5 minute gap and then roll over and then go down into this 1 hour or 1 or 4 hour. Yeah, it was huge gap down there with all this liquidity. I'm thinking what I want to see is us react off of this up here and then go down. Yo, Chino. Damn. We do have some news at 10. I think I said wholesale inventories. I can't remember if that moves it a lot, but it's something. And then some oil inventories after that at 10:30. Oh yeah, I know you short. That's a beautiful 5 minute short right there. I want to see a swing put in first, and then we'll think about shorting. And then damn, I know I just talked about aiming for just 50 points, but that's 130 points down to my exit down there. You guys, I keep forgetting I got to switch screens now. Will you guys let me know, like, do you like this setup better where it's just the one screen so it's easier to read versus the 4? I'm going to take this guy off. What I'm looking at is just this 5-minute gap. But we've got this 18140 up here that we could go up to. Yeah, I think it looks better too, and it's easier for you guys to read. I just keep forgetting to switch the screens when I'm looking at another time frame. But I'll try to remember better. Most days I'm fine. I'm do fine. So we want to see a reaction in that 5-minute gap. If this candle, gosh, can't stop burping. If this candle secures a swing high, we will short with, let's see, short with two micros. Probably take a hunt. Probably aim for the lows, maybe a little past the lows. That's 50 points. Yesterday was a perfect opportunity to break our record. We just didn't get there. Got to swing on the 1 minute. I kind of want to see it on the 5 minute though. We got 3 minutes left in this candle. If and when I do short though, we'll probably be I gotta be willing to hold it up to here. It's 50 points right there. We'll just see what happens. Got 2 minutes and 50 seconds left on the 5 minute. Yeah, it's kind of slowing down here. All right, 2 minutes on the 5 minute. I really want to see it not trade up above that, but you know the market, it's going to do what it wants to do. This was looking better when we were down here. This is okay though. The higher we go, the further we can target if we get a short. ES is doing the same exact thing inside of its 5 minute gap. No, don't go break the highs. I got 30 seconds. It's not much of a swing, but I mean, if it closes down here, it will be what I wanted. I just don't know. I hate that it's way up here. Let's just see how this next candle opens up. It might just pop up there real quick. I mean, even if I do get a short, even if I do take a short now, we can hold it up in all this area. But if that's the case, let's wait for it to go a little higher and then see what happens. We don't have to take that. We're reaching up to 140. ES is breaking that high as well. Let's see what it does here at this 140. I have an idea. I'm gonna. We are 1,000 away from passing this account. I think the last. I'm gonna attempt. Or we're just gonna take a couple trades doing what I do on my fundeds, which is bigger size, small exits, just in time for knives. God damn it. Oh. How you doing, Knives? You take the open? So I'm going for 15 ticks. We'll do 3 minis. it's not the best mindset, but I would like to pass this account this week and get started on another one by the end of this week. All right, let's see if we come back down to 140 and then I don't know if we're going to. We could. Man, ES is just... ES is wanting to go. It even gapped up a little there on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think I want to see us come back to your 18140 there. Right? That would probably be a good spot for it to bounce off of, but I'm just looking for 15 ticks anyways. Hell yeah. I had a loss and a win on it with the bot. Perfect. Maybe I should increase my size even more. I don't mind it. I just like giving you guys a hard time. I mean, it's the average, and looking at it mathematically, it's the average. So we're gonna want to always get drawn back to that. Yeah. I'm just not sure if... I don't think you should use only that, you know? Nice knives. Yeah, I had a short. I mean, the bot placed shorts and longs off that 929 candle, so obviously the short failed, but it left the orders, and then I got half of it back on the win because I had a negative risk to reward ratio. And when I was in the long, I was thinking I should probably stretch this out, but I just left it there. Look at your trades and see exactly where you got filled on your account performance. Go up into Quan Tower in the top left and open up account performance. This window. Yeah. And then if you come down here, you can click trades, and then it'll show you exactly like where it got filled and everything. No, I want to long that. This window's in the way. Boom. Yeah, maybe we'll just pass this account today. What's up, Drew? On account performance, down there where it says statistics, there's a tab called trades. Right here. Then you can see where everything was filled and everything like that, what time, the price, all that crap. There might be a better way, but that's where I look. That trade just brought us from minus 35 to plus 185. Thinking about just buying every pullback here. Now we're at plus 397. We're just slinging around 3 minis like it's nothing. Yeah, so buy all of them at like 98 and you got filled at 102. Yeah, I mean that's just how it is. Yeah, I hear you, Drew. You already know the answer, Drew. You already know the answer. Let me ask you this. If someone just walked up to you and handed you $800, would you say, no, I want to risk all of that and I want you to give me more, or would you refuse it? You probably just accept it and go about your day. We got a swing high at 167. Knives would risk it because he's now a YOLOer. He's trying to be a professional YOLO trader. We didn't quite get up there. A pro YOLOer. A pro YOLOer. Okay, now we just took out that high. I think we keep going now. Damn, I guess everyone thought we were going to keep going lower and market decided, nope, we're going to go straight up. I mean, 180's close. Wait for another pullback, like another red on the 1 minute. ES did not take out that high. That high's at 750. This is the high that Nasdaq just took out. Here it is on Nasdaq. Here it is on ES. Interesting. Because I pointed that out, that's going to be where we reverse. And we just bought the highs. Oh, and we have news here at 10. I forgot about that. Come on, give me just a little something. We got to get out of that. I didn't realize the time. Of course. I gotta wait till after 10. Nice, McLovin. Yeah, we have wholesale inventories at 10. I don't remember what that does. We should probably start writing this crap down. Like if we had a log that said wholesale inventories at May 8th, you know, market pumped 40 points right at 10, or it hesitated then dropped 30 points at 10:02, then we can try to see if there's any patterns over time. That requires work, so don't know if I'm gonna do that. I still want to take this long. Damn it. Right, yeah. It's just some of the ones at 10, they'll surprise you. Like this one. ES still is not up there, so I'm just thinking that Nasdaq is allowed to go a little further. ES is just now taking it out. No, not quite. Yeah, that's why I've got it at 183. We do have like a little 5-minute gap on them here. Right at 180. I think we go up there. Yeah, so like I said, I didn't know, wasn't sure. Sometimes these ones at 10 though take a couple minutes. But I think it would be worth my time to write them down so we can look back and see what they did last time when they came out, because I always forget which ones actually do anything. No, wrong way. Yeah, that's correct. I think that's before. I'm assuming that's before commissions. I'm not sure though. Close enough though. It's five points a tick. I mean, $5 a tick. So 5 times 15 times 7 is 525. We are. I'm not gonna like hold on to this forever. If it started coming down. Yeah, you're good. I wasn't thinking like, because I don't usually speak in terms of ticks. I like dealing with the points, because I don't normally aim for anything in between. But lately I have been, but I still, just my brain thinks in points. So when you say 15 ticks, I'm like, I don't even know how many points that is. But it's $5 a tick on minis. ES just made like an equal high there. I really want to see ES come up there, which would allow Nasdaq to go a little further. I almost think we may be able to pass the account with this trade right here. $300 more and it's passed. What the hell are we doing? Jesus Christ. I swear the market knows when it knows when I get into a trade. I wasn't willing to let that go any into the red after we were up, however much that was, like 10, close to 10 points with 2 minis. They do. Why do they care about me on a freaking evaluation account? All right, so we're at, I know I'm not supposed to be trading P&L, but I know, John, that's why I'm trying to be careful. We didn't get it. We didn't get it, Drew. I got out at like break even. My account is at I kind of just want to go for it. It's only $600. And we switched to minis now. Right, Knives? If Knives can do it, I can do it. I'm gonna put the take profit of 15 ticks on, because that's how I've been trading the funded accounts. It's up one stop. Yeah, it's oh, I heard they have like you can just click it whenever you want, right? When I traded a personal account on Tradeovate, I would set up a daily lockout, which helped me out quite a bit. $10 mini 6 points. That's a lot more than $600. It's $1,200. We don't need to go that hard. We could do 600 divided by 20 divided by 10. Or wait, I can't do 10 minis on this. I can only do 7, I think. 600 divided by $20 a point. So we need 30 points divided by 7 contracts. We could do 7 contracts for 4 points and then pass it. Yeah, that's awesome. One stop. There's been plenty of times where I've hit my daily goal. I get off the chart and then all of a sudden I find myself back on the chart, giving it all back later. No, Drew, we've been freaking we've been grinding this account. We got it up to 2,000 with just micros the last 2.5 weeks. I really don't want to YOLO it. Like, I know I'm trading larger size, but I feel like I'm being conservative with these trades. Everything's pulling back down, and we got SMT going on. Let's see here. We got this high right here on Nasdaq, and then ES equal highs, and then pull back. Damn, it's only 10:08. Thought it was like 11 already. Man, we're slowing down. Oh, that's why we're slowing down, because we're in that. I see what you're saying, McLovin. You just got to remember, Delta market does whatever it wants, so we just gotta accept whatever it does. There's nothing we can do about it. I will be done. Are you imposing your will on the market? I think ES is being drawn down into here. Nasdaq has one as well. Yeah, I thought we were about to go. Let's see. What the hell is that? That's no bueno. That's no bueno at all. Let's just see what this does. There's no way that you're short too. God damn it. That's what we get for trying to freaking go hard. We're back. Now I'm right on the day. What? We're all short? Oh my God. I hope you guys aren't trolling me. I'll short with you. I want to see us go back to 140. I plan on getting in up to 3 minis in this move if we do. Oh, ES is going. If we break that, we'll add a third. Okay. Just freaking leave it now. Bears, bears, bears. How much further can we go? I want at least 146 down into this gap right here on the 5 minute. But ES is already reacting off of that same 140 or that same gap. Well, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Can we pass with this? I need $700 more from here. I don't know how many I don't know how many points that is with where we're at. It's not much. 700 divided by 20 divided by 3. So we only need 11 points from there. So yeah, right around 140, 140-ish, 143, 144 would pass, I think. I just don't know if we're gonna go down there. Yo, Delta, we're all in this together. What are you getting out for? I'm here with you. McLovin's with you. I'm way over leveraged. What more do you want? I'm debating on just taking what I have. I mean, we're back green in the... Oh, come on. All right, I'm out since McLovin's not in. I'm starting to make very bad decisions. We are green. We're back. Okay, this. Look at our stupid graph from today. Hold on. This is how I know I need to be done. Even though it's just an eval, but I need to build good habits and bring them into our fundeds. What the hell is going on? Trying to get this graph so you guys can see it. Yeah, I don't like that we're putting a swing in. ES is already reacting off of that gap, so I don't know if Nasdaq is going to go back down there. But started red from the bot. Our manual trades, we did good. Gave back, did good. Gave way too much back, and now we're back in the green. At plus, what are we at? Where the hell is my plus 207? So we still need 800-ish to go to pass. I don't need to do it today. But we could. We very well could. No, F it. I took 2 trades on my Apex funded account on my screen, but you guys couldn't see it, and I'm green on that as well. So I'm just going to end my day there and accept that some days are just garbage. Today wasn't that bad, actually. We just started taking bad trades. Yeah, I appreciate it, McLevin. I'm glad I got out when you said that you weren't in it yet. Yeah, I'm about to start if I keep trading, I'm going to make bad decisions, especially if I go back in the red from being red, green. If I go back in the red, it's just going to go deep in the red. We're green on the eval. I'm green on my funded. I think I'm up to 60 on my Apex 50K. So I'm just going to stop there. Okay. You guys have a great rest of your day. If you keep trading, be careful. Don't let the market get to you. You guys, Delta, McLovin, Drew, Chino, you guys all have a good one. And we'll be back tomorrow. Nasdaq making money blind in the city lights. He plays this game, buying and selling the thrill of the game.